Cold emails in Dubai, what works and what gets ignored. Cold emailing in Dubai is one of the most misunderstood marketing channels. Many founders assume that what works in other markets will work here. It rarely does. Dubai inboxes are crowded, impatient, and unforgiving. Decision makers in Dubai receive dozens of emails every day. Most of them are ignored without being read fully. Not because the offers are bad, but because the email feel irrelevant, generic, or disrespectful of time. The fastest way to get ignored is to sound like everyone else. Long introductions, generic compliments, over explaining, overselling. These signals tell the reader one thing immediately. This email was sent to many people. Dubai professionals value clarity and efficiency. They want to know why you are emailing them and what outcome you are proposing quickly. Cold emails fail when they focus too much on the sender. Who you are, how long you have been operating, how great your company is. None of this matters initially. What matters is relevance. Why this person? Why now? Why this message? Short emails perform better in Dubai because they respect time. 4 to 6 sentences is often enough. Anything longer feels like work. Authority also matters. Authority does not mean arrogance. It means confidence and positioning. Statements perform better than actions. Clear outcomes perform better than vague promises. Another common mistake is overselling. Aggressive language creates resistance. Dubai is a relationship-driven market. Even cold outreach should feel professional, not pushy. Tone matters, polite and direct. Business is focused, not casual, not desperate. Personalization matters, but not in the way most people think. Mentioning the person's name or company is not enough. Real personalization is about context. Why this offer makes more sense for them. Follow-ups are critical. Most replies come from follow-ups, not first emails. Many founders give up too early. In Dubai, resistance signals seriousness as long as it is respectful. Sending cold emails to people with no buying power wastes time. Dubai organizations are hierarchical. Reaching the right level matters. Timing also plays a role. Early mornings and midweek perform better. Weekends and late evenings perform worse. Cold emails should not try to close deals. Their job is to open conversations. A clear, low friction next step works the best. A call, a short meeting, a quick discussion. Dubai decision makers appreciate efficiency. If your email feels efficient, you stand out. Cold emailing is not about volume. It is about precision, fewer emails, better targeting, clearer messaging. When done correctly, cold emails in Dubai can open doors quickly. When done poorly, they damage your reputation. In Dubai, your cold email is often your first impression. And first impressions here are hard to change.